It's a very exciting sector to be in. The digital changes that are coming has a huge impact on manufacturing as a whole, not just in food and beverage manufacturing specifically. The first thing that comes to mind, of course, is automation and robotics. But there's also things like the Internet of Things that can gather huge amounts of data throughout the manufacturing process. And through the whole supply chain, the whole value chain of food and beverage, from farm all the way to the consumer. There's also exciting things if we think about factors impacting the industry at the moment, like increased requirements for traceability of products. People want transparency in terms of where whatever they consume, where it comes from, the ingredients it contains, information about the packaging. And in that area, we can think of blockchain technology, for instance, where every single step of the whole supply chain can be made visible to both manufacturers, to retailers, and of course, at the end of the day, the consumer.